Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020. You are still working on being able to put information from a text in sequential order. Today's to dos are you are going to read Sweet Music in Harlem on Pearson. You're going to complete your comprehension questions, an activity on vocabulary spelling city, a writing prompt from your main menu, your iReady reading minutes, and your social studies week 23. You're going to read stamina, roadometer, how many pioneers journeyed to the West during the mid 1800s. If there are comprehension questions after any of those articles, you are going to answer those questions. This week's story is Sweet Music in Harlem by Debbie A. Taylor, illustrated by Frank Morrison. The genre of this story is a realistic fiction. Realistic fiction has characters, setting, and plot that seem real, but the author has made them up. As you read, look for how characters play different roles in the plot. Question of the week for this story is, what unexpected influence do we have on those around us? You can read the story assigned to you on Pearson, or you can click the link after that is listed under this video on my profile and have the story read to you. But first, let's go on so we can see the comprehension questions that you're going to have to answer after you have read or heard the story. Okay, here's today's comprehension questions. Let's go over them before you read the story so you know what you have to answer. Question number one, you're going to find one sentence on page 443 that confirms our influence about someone older teaching someone younger to play a musical instrument. Number two, what clues suggest that CJ and Uncle Click have a good relationship? Number three, what point of view is used throughout the story? How can you tell what point of view is used? Notice there are two question marks for number three. That means you are answering two questions, which means what? You should have two complete sentences to answer number three. Number four, how do people react to CJ's news about the photographer? Use details from the selection to support your response. Number five, reread the last two paragraphs on page 449. Describe in what order Maddie D says and does. Explain how these incidents may foreshadow future events. Number six, list in order the three objects CJ finds and where he finds them. Now that you know the questions that you need to find the answers to, go on and read or listen to the story. Then go back to your home learning notebook or journal and answer these questions.